And let's get into this video. Or before, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below which part of the video you like, and also don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post videos. And let's get into this video.
Check it out.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Hey kids, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is a different video. It's gonna be like a series or kind of like a documentary of my life. Basically is where it's 365 days of self-discovery. Basically where I'm gonna be figuring out, this is a journey of me trying to discover and figure out who I am as myself, or discovering things that I like, I need, or like, love, care, don't care, dislikes, likes, all that journey before I turn 18, because I'm approaching around the corner of turning 18 where I need to find my career path, what I like, what should I do for like long-term goals, and basically my admirations in life. And so since I'm not going to college, and I know that for sure because I'm not going to college, because like what's the point of going to college if like I can like just go ahead and start my career now, and instead of spending all that money for my mom, like for my mom to spend all that money, and like for me going to college and taking a course or something that I don't like and end up never using that degree. Because don't get me wrong, I will finish it and like complete it, but I won't use the degree, and then it's gonna be a waste of time, money, energy, and I could have done all that and be ready like well ahead in my career that I want to be, like that specifically I wanted to be or wanted to do with my life, instead of like just taking a course and like saying, I just take this cause, or taking it for the benefits of like saying like I want my parents to be proud of me, or in this case my mom to be proud of me, and I don't want to just do that because then I end up disengaging myself, like detaching myself away from myself more and more, and I won't be like how I am currently, like not knowing what I like, not be hating myself, or have low self-esteem, no confidence, having not like being very emotional, and basically having outbursts and stuff like that. Basically I just wanted like to finally, before age hits and like I have time still to discover who I am. Like that's the original beginning where I was creating my channel, where if you guys go further back, way before the pearl jacket, way further back. Oh, this lighting's so cute. I like, look at this, my face is just shining stuff. But if you go way back in my videos, where you first originally see is where I just told you guys what I'm going to be doing on my channel, is where I first originally announced who I am, is where I was like a homeschooler. I'm basically like, as you guys know, I'm homeschooled, and basically I'm at home, I'm doing schoolwork, I basically try and discover who I am as my person. But I've been like teeter-tottering, like I find something, then I still detach and find something else. And basically as you can see, my channel's been like like ups and downs. It's 1 minute I'm fashion, next minute I'm skincare, next minute I'm sewing, next minute I'm redecorating my room, next minute I'm cooking, next minute cleaning. This channel is just basically me finding out my likes, dislikes, and who I am as me, not as you or you or you or you or you. Who I am as me, as a person, human being that is just finding out who she is. Like, it's time to figure out what my likes and what I like and who I am as the beautiful girl, goddess, queen, whoever I am. So that's basically who I want to start. So I'm gonna be doing like kind of like writing poetry. I can't. Writer writing promet. Oh my gosh. Promote. Oh my gosh, this girl don't know if she's been on this thing. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Basically where I like give myself the topic of the day and basically talk about that, about not only am I talking about helping you guys helping myself find out of who I am, I'm also helping you guys out on my journey so it can be on this journey with me, discover yourself. Because I know that's what most of the people on this platform is. They don't really tell you, they tell you about stuff that you should do for your skin or tell you what you should do for a career and stuff, but they won't never tell you how they got there before they got there, like before like the current balance beginning there of how they got to their career, how they got their education, how they are the person they are there. They never really tell you how they started. So it is time for you all to learn how to self-love, self-aware, and knowing what your likes, dislikes, and loves. Yes, there is the difference between likes and loves, because loves mean you like love with all you, and likes is just I like it for now, but later on I'm not gonna like it. Likes and dislikes. It's like a maybe. It's like you got love and not or dislike. Love, dislike, and like. Like is like the maybe, like the gray area between black. Oh wait, what should be white and black, black and white. You get what I'm saying. You guys get what I'm saying. See, even like that, you gotta like love how like you how certain ways you talk or how you carry yourself. So that's also what we're learning to do this journey of learning self-aware, self-love, self-confidence, self-everything. Basically learning who the fuck you are. Oh, I can't say that. I'm gonna cut this out. Learning who you are, who you as a person. So basically, you come on this journey with me as my documentary of 365 days of, like, when I keep saying 365, I think about the theme song of Phineas and Ferb from basically this Disney TV show where they say 104 days of summer vacation. If you know the song, you just sing it, but you probably not know the song. But 365 days of self-discovery 365 days of self-discovery. Okay, that's gonna be the title. This is Journey playlist, so I'm gonna make this my own playlist for you guys, so go ahead and check it out. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you like, and also hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye, cuties. Cutie out.